Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to stretch your video in Premiere Pro. First, start by importing your video into Premiere Pro and dragging it to the timeline. Once that's done, go to the top menu and click on Sequence, then Sequence Settings. Here you'll see the current resolution of your clip. To make your video widescreen, change the resolution to 1920 by 1080. After you've made the change, click OK and confirm the prompt. Now you'll notice black bars around your video. To fix that, select the clip in your timeline. Head over to the Effect Controls panel, then uncheck Uniform Scale. This will allow you to adjust the horizontal and vertical scaling separately. Now drag the Scale Height and Scale Width slider to stretch the sides of the video and fill the entire frame. Once you're happy with the stretched look, your video is ready to be edited further or exported. And that's how you stretch a video in Premiere Pro. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.